Is it the right time to buy or sell the BOIL ETF? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deeper into the BOIL ETF. We previously shared a report on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 6, 2023, our system has identified BOIL as a strong sell candidate with a score of -6.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant loss of -39.53%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -2.33% per day since it was classified as a strong sell candidate. The ETF has broken its wide and falling short-term trend. Initially, a stronger decline is expected, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. However, a further decrease is likely, and any rebounds back to the breaking point at $43.58 should be seen as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, the new bottom line for the next trend could be $21.12, but it is too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of -13.73% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.45% to 58.29%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -96.75% change over the next year, with a potential return between -100% and -98.95%. This means the price may range from $0 to $0.378 after a year. In our latest update for BOIL, we have some important news to share. The headline reads, "Red day on Wednesday for BOIL ETF after a decrease of 0.415%. On Wednesday, the 29th of November 2023, the price of the BOIL ETF dropped by 0.415%, going from $36.15 to $36. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.56%, with the lowest point at $35.96 and the highest at $37.96. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 28.99%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is seen as a positive sign since volume typically follows the movement of the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 5 million shares, and a total of 6 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $198.62 million. Looking at the bigger picture, over the span of the last 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $966.80, while the lowest was $35.96. At present, the price is 96.28%, or $930.80, below the 52-week high and 98.72%, or $2,774.01, below the all-time high, which was reached on June 8, 2022, at $2,810.01. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals for BOIL, an ETF related to the stock market. Let's dive in. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for BOIL. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. It's important to note that on corrections up, there may be resistance at $40.14 and $56.11. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it may issue a buy signal. On Tuesday, October 31, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a significant -47.72% drop so far. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. It's worth noting that the volume of trades fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In this video, we will discuss some interesting signals that you might find useful for your trading strategies. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) signal, which indicates a sell signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also suggests a sell signal that occurred 21 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal shows a buy signal that occurred 39 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal that occurred 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggests a sell signal that occurred 18 days ago. Now, let's consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, which indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average shows a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 18 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and valuable information. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for BOIL. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that under the right conditions, the BOIL ETF may not perform well in the next couple of days. BOIL is known for its high volatility, which means it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, classifying this ETF as very high risk. Looking at recent data, we can see that BOIL had a $2 price difference between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 5.56% fluctuation. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been around 6.6%. Let's dive into some day trading levels for BOIL. If BOIL follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $36.15. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock has the potential to drop sharply. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to handle such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. Unfortunately, our evaluation for this ETF is negative and we haven't set a stop loss. Is BOIL ETF a good buy? BOIL ETF currently shows several negative signals and is in a significant downward trend. Our analysis suggests that it is likely to continue underperforming in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. When considering the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price of BOIL ETF is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate that BOIL ETF will open with a gain of $0.640 and start trading at $36.64. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide valuable information, it's crucial to note that you should not solely rely on us when making investment decisions. You are responsible for your own investments and any actions you take based on the information provided. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current stock market. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What are your predictions for the ETF? Let's dive in. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, we want to wish you successful trading and a truly beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.